Okay guys, so I am en route to go ahead and buy 6 iPhone 14 Pro Maxes and 4 iPhone 14 Pros all unlocked. Now here's the thing, I don't know if they're completely unlocked. I got 2 IMEIs from this guy. I need to get the rest from him. Again, we do not buy phones without checking IMEIs. I don't care if you're my brother, okay? But let me do the intro. What's up, everybody? You already know how it goes. Your boy be back with another video, guys. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Brandon Jones, and I specialize in helping you make an extra income. And today we're talking about phone flipping, and I'm bringing you guys along with me onto this deal on this great Sunday. I hate filming while doing this, but I do want to get a video done for you guys today, outside, and me actually doing something. So guys, number one, I counted all the money in the crib. I usually count the money at home. I don't count the money in front of people. I don't count the money in my car. But we have a problem. I don't have enough money on me, so I have to go to the ATM. But I told the person I was 15 minutes away. They're 15 minutes away. I gotta make this work. I need to get, I think it's like $120 at the ATM. Now, I'm gonna tell you guys what my biggest fear is, even doing this transaction, is rushing. I don't like rushing. I try, even if I am late or I'm not in a position to do what I need to do or whatever, or I don't got the money, I try and keep myself calm, because I'm telling you right now, a sporadic racing mind is going to make mistakes, and I don't have time. I don't have time for mistakes. We got to execute, okay? We got to execute and make sure we're putting ourselves in the best position possible. Luckily, there is a Chase ATM near this location, which is great, okay? Oh crap, I'm in 2 lanes, I'm tripping, which is great. So I'm going to just utilize that and see where that goes. This guy just ran a red light, and see how that goes, okay? So hopefully we can make it make sense. This is going to be a $60 profit for me each device, so I'm excited about that. I then need to make sure I list these phones on OfferUp when I get home for $20 more than what a buyer would offer me. So what I do, little tip, a lot of people, they're like, yeah, I sell to buyers. I sell to buyers and consumers. But what I do, right, I already know what my buyer's gonna offer. I'll up it $20 and try and sell it to a consumer and see if anybody bites. And since these are unlocked iPhone 14 Pro Maxes and Pros, why wouldn't somebody offer me what I want, right? That's what we would think. But it's a whole bunch of different reasons why, to be honest. We just have to hope that that we can find somebody that is going to actually, bite on this, because then I'll make an extra $20. And trust me, I've done this plenty of times before and it's worked out. So I'm hoping that it works out this time, because that would then be an extra $100 basically, okay? So it's just all about capitalizing off of the things that you can capitalize off of, okay? And that's what I keep trying to tell everybody. I don't know if this Chase Bank is inside though. Let me see something. I don't know. Let me go find this Chase Bank, y'all, and I'll be right with you. All right, guys, just got done. All right, guys, so we are getting the rest of the money. Again, the guy hasn't hit me up yet, so that's pretty good. Get my card. And now I'm going to get the money. We out. Got the money, we out. And I got multiple bills, so I can make sure I have money just in case the offer goes a different way. All right, so now I am driving with thousands and thousands of dollars on me, and I am pulling up to meet with the person, and I'm gonna show you guys, I believe, I'm gonna try if he's not here already, to show you guys what I have. He is here, okay. He's here, y'all, so hold on one second. I got my laptop, I got my phone, I got my phones, I got protection, and I also have the money. All right, so we're going to go from there. Wish me luck, I guess. If I put this video out, then you already know. I know the result, but again, when it comes to all of this money on me, I don't like it, y'all. That's him right there in the white truck. Okay, so that is done, guys. It's almost dark. Glad we got it done before it turned dark. He ended up not having all the phones, so we're supposed to meet tomorrow as well. I hate when buyers do that. They'll say, oh yeah, I got this and got that. But then when I get there, it's like a pump fake. Like they don't even have everything they said they was gonna have, but it's whatever. Now I gotta go home, hop on some calls for my mentorship program. If you guys don't know about it already, I have a mentorship program, and that program is dope, man. I'm so excited about it. And I'm gonna be honest with you, we making results happen. That's just what it is. We making results happen, and it's just an honor. It's an honor to be working with you guys. And again, I'm gonna go home. I'm going to assess these phones, make sure these phones are exactly what I want them to be. I'm going to list the phones up on OfferUp, and I'll be selling them to a buyer by the end of the week. But I'm going to give it a whole week for them to actually sell on OfferUp as well.